Welcome back to another exciting day of word problems. Miss Lestico, what's our target?
Our target is still the same. It is I can solve start, change, and result unknown word problems.
Wow. Miss Lestico, are we learning a new strategy today? We've done a lot so far.
Let's check our strategy sheet. So far we did part, whole, and number bond yesterday. We have one more strategy we're going to work on today. And personally, it's my favorite strategy. It's drawing pictures.
Oh, I can't wait. Let's add it to our chart.
All right. So drawing pictures can really help us understand word problems because when we draw a picture, we get a visual representation of what's happening in our problem.
So today, we're going to practice solving those start, change, and result unknown problems. Remember, the ones where we put a box. But we're going to do addition and subtraction, and we're going to teach you how to use a picture to help you solve. So Miss Lestico right now is just giving a demonstration of, she might be drawing some flowers and going to see how many it would be put together.
So I might have 3 plus 2. So I could draw 3 flowers and then add 2 flowers. And then at the end, I would just count my picture. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I would know that my problem would equal 5 flowers because I have pictures to count to help me figure out what's happening.
All right. Well, I think we should start with some word problems.
Oh, I think so too.
Okay, here is our first problem. It says, Buzz Lightyear has some spaceships. He buys 2 more. Now he has 10 spaceships. How many did he start with? I'm going to read it one more time, and Miss Lestico is going to set it up. Buzz Lightyear has some spaceships. Oh, she doesn't know, so she put a box. He buys 2 more. 2 more. So that's going to be plus, and it's 2. He got 2 more, so we're plus 2. Now he has 10 spaceships. So I know that's his result equals 10. All right, let's see how Miss Lestico draws the picture.
All right, well, I don't have to draw spaceships for my picture because that might take me a really, really long time. But if I said Buzz Lightyear had some spaceships and he got 2 more, I'm just going to use triangles for my spaceships because I know that that will represent my spaceships. And then I'm going to say that he has 10 at the end. So I already have 2, so I need to see how many I have to add in order to make my total, which is 10. So I already have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I just have to count how many more spaceships I had to draw in order to make my total 10. So I had to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more spaceships in order to equal 10.
Wow, he started with 8 spaceships.
All right, our next problem is Moana built 10 boats. Some sailed away. Now she has 5 boats left. How many sailed? Miss Lime, what are we going to start with?
Okay, well, let's see. It said Moana built 10, so I'm going to put 10. Then it said some sailed away, so she doesn't have them anymore, so that's minus. Oh, but some. I don't know what number that is. Now she has 5 boats left, so I'm going to do equals 5.
So our result is going to be 5 boats.
Let me start with 10, right? She had 10 boats. A boat is really hard to draw, so I'm just going to draw circles. So I'm going to draw 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Some sailed away. So I need to cross some off, but I don't know what number that is. But I know she's only supposed to have 5 at the end. So I'm just going to start crossing boats off until I only have 5 left. Let's see, that's 9 left, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, I have 5 boats left, and I had to cross 5 boats off. So that must be how many sailed away. Okay, here's our next problem. Princess Poppy learned 3 new dances on Monday. She learned 5 more on Tuesday. How many total dances did she learn?
All right. Well, I know that she started by learning 3 new dances. So I'm going to start with the number 3. And if she learned 5 more, that means that I'm going to add the 5 more dances that she learned. And in total, I don't know how many she got at the end because our question is how many more did she learn? So,
how do you draw a dance, Miss Lestico? I don't know.
I don't know. I'm just going to draw a little swirl for a dance because people kind of twirl when they dance. I'm going to draw 1 swirl, 2 swirls, 3 swirls, and now I have to add 5 more. So I'm going to draw 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have all my swirls for dances, and if I count them all together, I should make my total. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dances in all. All right, are you ready for the next one? It says Olaf had 9 cups of hot chocolate. He drinks 3 of them. How many cups of hot chocolate does he have left?
Okay, it says he has 9 cups, so that's what he starts with, so I'm going to do 9. Then it says he drinks 3. Well, if he drinks them, he doesn't still have them, so I'm going to do minus, and it said he drinks 3. Okay, now it says how many does he have left? So that's what I'm trying to solve for. My equals, I don't know yet. And I'm going to put the box because even if I can do it in my head, it's important to show your teacher you know what you're solving for. Hot chocolate might take me a long time to draw, but I know. I'm just going to do a square because that kind of looks like a cup or maybe a rectangle.
Or a marshmallow.
Oh, yeah, like a marshmallow. Let's see. He started with 9 cups of hot chocolate. So I'm going to draw 9 little rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My pictures aren't perfect, Miss Lestico, but am I trying my best?
You are, Miss Lime.
He drank 3. So that means I need to cross 3 off. 1, 2, 3. Now I can see he has 6 cups of hot chocolate left. So I'm going to put 6 in my box. Okay, now we have some number sentences that don't have a word problem. So, Miss Lestico, will you pick one to make up a word problem for?
Oh my goodness, I'm going to make a word problem with this one right now. I know this is my start unknown word problem because it has a box at the beginning. So I'm going to have to start with the word some. So I could say Miss Lime had some Mr. Sketch markers. And then Miss Lestico used 3 and threw them away. Now Miss Lime only has 7 Mr. Sketch markers left. So my question would be, how many Mr. Sketch markers did Miss Lime start with?
Okay, Miss Lestico, how are you going to draw to solve this?
So I know that I had 7 Mr. Sketch markers at the end. So let me draw my 7 markers. 1, 2,
and she doesn't know what we started
4,
with. Otherwise, she could start
5,
with that number.
6, 7. So I know that we had 7 at the end, but I threw 3 away. So I'm going to pretend that I grabbed them out of the trash and put them back in my problem. I'm going to draw the 3 that I threw away. And then if I add all of these together, I should be able to see what the start of my problem was. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Mr. Sketch markers is what Miss Lime would have started with.
Okay, I'm going to pick one. And I like this one because it looks like a challenge. Because look at all the numbers. It's 2 plus 3 plus something equals 9. Oh, I know. Miss Lestico had 2 regular donuts and 3 chocolate donuts and some sprinkle donuts. She had a total of 9 donuts. How many sprinkle donuts did she have? Wow, that's a lot of donuts. Let's see. She had 2 regular donuts. So I'm going to draw 2 regular donuts. Okay? I'm not trying to make them perfect donuts. Then she had 3 chocolate donuts. Okay, let me draw 3 chocolate donuts. 1, 2, 3. She had some sprinkle donuts. I don't know how many some is, but I know she was supposed to have 9 total donuts. So I'm just going to draw some sprinkle donuts until I get to 9 total. I'm not going to draw 9 more. Let's see, this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my goodness, and I can see I just added 4 more. So Miss Lestico had 4 sprinkle donuts.
Wow, that sounds delicious.
Wow, Miss Lestico, that's a lot. Okay, on Seesaw, you have your performance assessment today. Oh, but you're going to do so good. You have some addition word problems, some subtraction word problems, and we gave you the strategies to use, okay? Then, just like us, you get to set up your very own problem.
I cannot wait to hear the creative word problems that you get to come up with at home.
It's going to be so good. See you next week.